was crazy.
Blue.
I'm gonna just walk this one.
I've been trying to stop running.
Yeah, I sprinted the last one. I was not feeling good for a little bit.
It's always when you eat too much. The trick is to eat very little or not at all.
I had 2 Uncrustables. 2 Uncrustables and a bag of Doritos, and apparently that's too much.
I don't fucking eat lunch. I just skip it. Or at least try to.
Oh, I'm gonna have to yell again, aren't I? Because I don't have a pistol. Fuck, I don't like yelling at people. It's just... Yeah, that's our commander. He spawned there.
Yeah, he's fine.
Yeah. Oh, shit!
Watch out.
Fuck, already!
No.
Run! Go bank?
Yeah.
That was a bit much, but Jesus fuck. Zero out of 10, not going bank again. 0 out of 10. Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go, go!
They're all gonna die. They're
Let them all go first.
they're all gonna die.
Find the bridge for me.
The bridge is like right here.
You said it was going that way. What a fucking...
No, there's one here. This field is stupid. Don't try to just don't try to just run across that. It's not gonna work for you. Not one. This one's already breaking. This bridge is like a month old. Yeah. Oh, they've got cover over here now. That's good. Woo! He missed. Alright. Oh, he's green. He's wearing a tan hat, a tan shirt, but he's got green tape on his arms.
Oh shit, there's so many.
Yeah. Are we doing medic rules? Be careful of this. There's some guy with a line on it. Get down, get down. I love it. much cover can you guys give me? I'm running back. I'm scared.
There's
Hey, come on. We're gonna go all the way around. We're gonna get in behind them. Come on, we're going this way. Is that our spawn or their spawn? Okay. How many of you want to come with me? Nice shot. No, I said nice shot.
You guys have a large area you can try to maneuver.
I know. I'm trying to get people to go around that way, because that's what we did at Colony Wars. That's how it worked.
I know.
So.
You were on gold team, weren't you?
Yes. Yes,
I
I
was on
was.
green.
I came to 3 of them. I printed out a map for Colony Wars. Like.
Yep. Are you going back? Oh yeah, we can all
Oh fuck yeah.
I was gonna say you and I hanging out in the back, right?
Oh yeah.
Big boys out back.
Come on in.
I'm small. I'm sad.
All the smaller guys crab in the back.
Can I shoot out this? Can I shoot out this?
Yeah, no.
Not right now. More the better, I'll tell you that right now.
Cross your legs.
Yeah.
Right here.
Hey, can I shoot out this?
No.
Damn it.
As of right now, you guys are dead.
Okay. That's fine. I'll just.
Everyone in?
Yep.
We're full, man. We don't have any room.
We're an airdrop.
Wait, are you tan team? You blue tape or green tape?
Yeah, my Xbox is dead. Ryan playing this.
Oh.
I can really see shit in the trees as it is, dude.
Yeah.
What? Goggles, I can't see a damn thing out here. Nobody can.
Get X-Fog.
They're in the trees.
He has a defogger.
Can I shoot them on the way by?
Yeah, I've got one of those. I just,
We are all technically
for whatever
dead.
reason, I'm doing fine today, so I'm good.
With a gun truck, when you're in the gun truck, you can full auto.
Yeah. Everyone can full auto.
All right, guys.
Go.
This is your drop.
I can take.
Bro, someone's pistol.
Thank you.
How many of us are 6 of us?
Wait, how many?
Yeah, we've got 6.
3 left.
I think.
I'll go left.
Oh shit, can I go with my husband? Go right.
Clear. Someone just saw me. on full auto?
No. Oh, I guess it was.
Oh, it feels so cool to duck under BBs. No, because I'm out of ammo, but I will be able to.
I got you covered.
Oh, no fucking way. Good slide. That was cool. You guys dead?
Okay, we're gonna pretend like we're the last one. Bro, last one. Walk it out. Walk it out. Don't do this. Don't do this.
Oh, damn. Thanks for not shooting me, though. Appreciate you.